Witness testimony resumes today in the murder trial of Jason Meade. This is a live look inside the courtroom where we are hearing from Arthur Hughes, a homicide detective with the Columbus Division of Police. We also heard from a firefighter paramedic who responded to the scene where Casey Goodson Jr. was killed.
And we encountered several officers still running into the scene with weapons drawn. And my partner, who was in charge of the run, inquired with the FAO on the radio of what we were encountering, and the EMS supervisor made the decision for us to let's hold on until we get further direction due to the active.
And we thank you for joining us today. First at 4, I'm Jennifer Bullock. Jared Smalley is off today. That shooting happened in December of 2020. Meade had finished working on a federal task force when he claims Goodson drove by waving a gun at him. Well, Meade then followed Goodson home and shot him after he claims Goodson ignored commands and flashed his gun. Now, Meade faces 2 counts of murder and 1 of reckless homicide. He has pleaded not guilty. Well, in court today, we heard from several witnesses that had some involvement after the shooting. This includes a Minerva Park police officer who responded to the scene. The defense showed part of his body camera footage. In it, you see Meade and hear him talk about where he sent medics into the house. You also hear him telling another law enforcement officer he saw Goodson going into the house with a gun in his hand. Later, a detective who worked for Columbus Police's critical incident response team was called to the stand. The prosecution went through the clothes Goodson was wearing that day and what was in his wallet. The defense later laid out a hypothetical scenario to show what information is or is not available to a deputy right as they begin responding.
What's that?
5H is a wallet, black wallet with a concealed carry.
And actually, let's pull this concealed carry permit out because this one has its own sticker. Do you see that? Exhibit 5HH?
Yes.
And again, you said that's a concealed carry permit?
That is.
And who's it made out to?
Casey Goodson.
None of that information is available to you when you're assessing that situation, correct?
That's correct.
And none of that goes into your assessment of the different levels of threat at that time, correct?
That's correct.
The only thing that goes into your assessment is what you actually observe and the actions of the individual, correct?
That's correct.
Now, during the medic's testimony, he discussed a handgun on the ground next to Goodson and the holster he was wearing. NBC4 is live in the courtroom, and we will continue to give updates throughout the day. Our Eric Halperin will join us with an update on testimony coming up on NBC4 at 5.